In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can repair or reset Windows security or reinstall the Windows Defender. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type security. On the right pane, click on App Settings. Scroll down and you'll find the reset button. So this is how you can reset it in the settings of your Windows 11. Next is through a PowerShell command. So right click at the start button, select Terminal Admin. And here we have this command. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. So just copy and then right click or Control V, hit enter. And then type exit, hit enter. Then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Next is through a command prompt. So type CMD in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. And here we have this command. Control C to copy and then Control V to paste, hit enter. And now simply type exit, hit enter. Then again restart your Windows. So those are the easy ways on how you can repair or reset and reinstall your Windows Defender or the security of your Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.